do this, baby. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited about this recording, this video, this post, whatever you want to call it. I'm excited. This is going to be a little different for me because I usually just talk through and let you guys know what I'm putting on my face, what I'm doing to my face, what products I'm using. But I decided to do something different that it's not different to YouTube, but it's different for me. And this is gonna be my story time. So I was like thinking really hard, like, damn, what can I talk about that could kind of be interesting, but what is a good first story time? And I'm like, maybe for you guys to kind of get to know me just a little bit. Those who don't know me and who follow me, it's probably a good amount of you guys that don't know me but follow me, and I really appreciate that. But it's always good to know who you're following, what they're about, all that good stuff. So my story time is going to be how I became a makeup artist, how I got into makeup, why I got into makeup, and how it's been for me so far. I'm gonna do these brows and I'm gonna come right back. Alright y'all, I'm back. My brows are on. My base is on. I'm such a weirdo when it comes to like my skin. If I get like one pimple, I'm like, oh, I got a pimple on my face. Like, alright. So today we're gonna get into some green. I think I'm gonna do green. So this I actually found on Juvia's Place. I think her name is, this is a screenshot, so I don't have the whole ad, but it's Rebecca Capel Makeup. Back to my story time. Why I got into makeup and how I got into makeup. I'm surprised that I got into makeup. Like, I'm gonna keep it 100 with y'all. I'm surprised because people would always tell me like, oh my god, you do such good makeup, you should do people's makeup. And I'm like, no. But it's like, you know, you want to venture out and you want to have different sources of income. So that's what I wanted to do with the makeup. Like, I genuinely wanted to have a different source of income. That was like probably the end of 2015 that I kind of realized that, okay, let me take the makeup thing a little bit more serious. I don't know why I went into makeup school, because it was interesting to learn like different avenues of makeup, like bridal makeup, avant-garde, high fashion. Like, it was cool as shit, don't get me wrong. But if you're trying to get into makeup, don't waste your money in makeup school. Like, I'm not even joking. In Florida, you don't even need your certificate, and that's what I got. Like, you don't need anything. You can be self-taught. I think there's a lot of places where you can be self-taught and you can still do makeup and it not be like illegal or some shit. I'm telling you, like, makeup class for me was kind of pointless because I already knew how to do makeup. It was just, the only thing I didn't know how to do like really well was doing makeup on white women and darker toned women, like dark. When I mean dark, like I'm talking about Lupita dark, Viola Davis dark. I didn't know how to do that. But I'm going in right now with my Huda Beauty in the color Blazing. This is the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. So I'm going in with the orange and I'm starting my transition. Now, I'm gonna also go in with yellow and put that on top of the orange. I'm gonna go in with my the Zulu palette from Juvia's Place with the yellow, and I'm just gonna apply that right on top. But let me go in with my my Morphe M514, and I'm gonna go in with the color Oud in my Huda Beauty palette, just to darken up the crease, and then I'm gonna put in a black.
Ooh, it's so slippery, but I know I can handle it.
Alright, next I'm going in with the Gwen Stefani and the Urban Decay. I love this. I really love this palette, but it's so broken. Like, almost, I think, probably like 50% of the shadows in here are broken. Alright, now that I got the black in, I'm gonna kind of cut my crease a little bit. I really was trying to stay away from the cut crease, but fuck it. Now for this cut crease, I am using the NYX eyeshadow base in the color white, obviously.
Yeah, I'm gonna make it splash, make it splash, make it splash, make it splash. Yeah, I'm gonna make it. Put that design on me, I'm feeling.
I'm going in with my Violet Boss, like a Boss palette, and it's in the color Royal. I'm just hitting the edges up.
Yeah, I'm gonna make it splash.
Next, I'm going with the Smart as Fuck color in the same palette, and just kind of going a little bit on top of that one.
Magnum my lifestyle, but no, I ain't wearing one. Orgasms multiple, I'm loving the way you move.
And next, I'm gonna go into my Morphe palette. This is in the palette 35S, and I'm going in with one of the greens. It doesn't have a name for it, so I'm just gonna go in with the green.
Nobody does it better. Nobody gets it wetter. Nobody does it better. Nobody gets it wetter than me.
I finished my eye look. That is completed. Put on some lashes. These are lashes that I reuse. I don't know how many times I reuse these lashes, but I did. I think this is probably like my 5th or 6th time. As in every other video, I'm just gonna complete my face, continue letting y'all know how makeup is the shit. It's so lucrative because I feel like where I'm at, like, it's basically like, you know, you're your own boss. It's not basically, it is that. You're your own boss, you make your own prices. Whatever you feel like you're worth, you put that. When I first started makeup, I started my prices at, I think it was $45. I've done makeup for $45, and that lasted probably like, I wanna say like 3 months. I charge people on how much time it's gonna take. And makeup is time consuming. Like, I take 45 minutes to an hour per face. Like, that is no joke. Like, I like to take my time, and if I know the client, oh my god, I take even longer, which I really hate that. But I've worked so many places, and the #1 place that I hate working at is a strip club. Like, I work at a strip club already doing like bartending, waitressing, but working at a strip club doing makeup, one, it's bad because they want this for $45, and they want you to do it within 30 minutes. And it's like, and then not only that, but there's a lot of girls that are not really that friendly. So now some of them are, don't get me wrong, but a lot of them aren't. Now usually I don't use this foundation as a concealer, but I kind of want to today. I don't know why, because I feel like my eyes are popping, so I kind of want to use some pop-in. It's like, I don't know, I like the consistency of this. This is the Maybelline, the 24-hour foundation.
Nobody does it better. Nobody gets it wetter. Nobody does it better. Nobody gets it.
This is Suede Mocha and Black Opal. The shit, y'all, get this. This is stick foundation. It's not a contour stick.
Oh, I need it here leaking, and I'm gonna make it splash. Yeah, I'm gonna make it splash.
I always like going in with the beauty blender and like touching the edges up. And as you can see, like going underneath the contour, going on top of the contour, just hitting up the edges because it's it kind of just blends everything together. And like with makeup, I just like teaching. I love getting responses where people are like, oh my gosh, I've learned how to do this and that because I watch your tutorials. I'll be like, for real? I don't think that's ever gonna be in my blood to be like full of myself, like ever. It's just not, it's just so corny to me. I feel like when girls do that, you're so corny. Like, bitch, you better humble yourself because at the end of the day, you had 10 people watching your shit and now you have 10,000 or 100,000 and now you're full of yourself and now you can't respond to people. That would never be me. 1,000 people follow me on YouTube would be a fan-fucking-tastic. Like, I would be so ecstatic and so grateful, and I would just remember these days where I started off and I was just, it was only 100 subscribers, 150 subscribers, and it's like, that type of shit humbles you because it's like you're literally starting from the bottom. And like for me, I don't really want help from, I know a lot of popular people, I do, but it's like, one, I have a lot of pride, which is probably dumb, but two, I really just want to do it by myself. But now going back with the same colors that I did on the top, alright. Now I'm gonna show you guys a little trick. I don't think I showed you guys before this trick, but to get like a really poppin', like say you don't have, you want to do your waterline the same color as the top of your lid, but you don't have that eye color, like the pencil, you could use the same eyeshadow that you use for the top of your lid. So you can get a white base from NYX, they have the white pencil, or you could just you can just use what I use, which is the NYX, the white base that I use to cut my crease. I put that on first, like literally I put it directly on my waterline, and then I place the color right on top of the waterline.
Yeah, I'm gonna make it wet like Atlantic, deep like Atlantis. Ooh, it's so slippery, but I know I can handle it. It's overflowing, but still I keep stroking. It feel like I'm swimming when I do see.
One thing's for certain, I'm gonna let y'all know that I do love my God. I pray every day. Every day.
Nobody does it better.
Last part is your lips.
Nobody gets it wetter than me. Got the sunny on me, I'm feeling for that.
Right, I'm gonna let my face dry and I'm gonna come back without this the do-rag on my head and let you guys get a closer look of the finished look.
Put that the sunny on me, I'm feeling for that Aquafina, that Fiji. Oh, I need it, you're leaking, and I'm gonna make it splash.
Alright y'all, this is the finished look. I want to say it was Christmas inspired because of the fact that it's green, but I don't know. I like the Storytime, it was different, but it was a little bit harder without like trying to explain to you guys what I'm doing, because it's like I feel like, damn, I gotta let them know what the fuck I'm putting on my face, because they're gonna be like, hold on bitch. But you guys, please make sure to subscribe to my channel right now. Stop what you're doing, pause this damn video and subscribe. My Instagram, for my personal Instagram, is HelloBaddKitty, and my makeup Instagram is RaisBeatbox_. All that is under here, RaisBeatbox and HelloBaddKitty. My Snapchat is the same thing, HelloBaddKitty. Twitter is I always be fucking up. Twitter is @_RochelleRenee5. So that's underneath as well. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. It's time for me to wrap it up. Alright, y'all.